Tips and tricks for fixing dog-related issues. Dogs are often considered among man's best friends. That's probably true. As long as you know what you're doing, you can get full enjoyment from owning a dog. This video delves into the techniques to get the most love out of your dog. Take your dog to the vet at least one time a year for checkups. Obviously, dogs don't speak, so it can be hard to figure out when they're having problems with their bones or teeth. Bringing your dog to the vet each year can help stop these health issues from becoming a huge problem. When a dog behaves badly, correct him immediately. If you ignore it, you are going to make the problem harder to contain, and you aren't sure what the result of bad behavior will ultimately be. Bad behaviors that are left uncontrolled can result in human injuries to you, your child, your friend, or your neighbor. This is why it's important to nip them in the bud immediately. Check to make sure your dog's collar is adjusted properly by fitting 2 of your fingers comfortably underneath it and pulling gently. There should be just enough room to do this and no more, otherwise he may be able to wiggle out of it. Always keep it on, except during crate transport, as the collar can get snagged and injure. Have a rotating schedule for dog-related responsibilities in your home. It's not fair for one person to always be taking care of him, and he'll feel more like a family pet if everyone pitches in. Kids often lose interest in a pet and leave the work to parents, but it's important that you teach them to keep up the commitment. Keep your dog in comfortable housing. They should be able to rest off the floor and away from drafts. A training crate is a good choice, or any covered shelter outside. Try placing a dog bed inside that has a warm blanket or a pillow inside. Wash the dog's bedding frequently. Stay on top of canine politics for your friend. Keep track of local laws which affect dog owners. These sort of things typically happen because of a few dogs acting out, or popular opinions about a certain breed. Talk to your local officials on behalf of responsible pet owners worldwide. Dogs are amazing pets. By learning as much as you can, you'll ensure that your relationship will be a great one. You have gained a lot of knowledge from what you have just read, and hopefully this knowledge can be used to make your pet happy. You now have the friend that you always dreamed of. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.